Hi, if you're someone who is preparing for Prelims 2026 and want to utilize the next upcoming month in the most efficient and effective manner, if you're struggling to revise alone, if you're struggling to revise in the dedicated time slot, we have a wonderful program referred by many toppers, which is RRR, Ruthless Rapid Revision. Now, under this program, we aim to make you revise in the most comprehensive manner, advanced manner, the entire syllabus of the UPSC CSE within 1 month. And the ideology is all of it we try to achieve through the day-long classes. So within a span of month, you will be having almost 14 day-long classes under which we will make you sit and will make you revise the entire prelim syllabus. So even if you have prepared the prelims from somewhere else, there's the opportunity where you see the gaps in your prelims preparation. There's the opportunity where you plug the loopholes which is missing right now in your various subjects. For example, let's say if you have covered the environment from some other source, from these RRR sessions, this will give you the comprehensive syllabus of the environment covered in just 2 classes through the faculty who are best in their subjects. Right, and that is how we will be covering the entire prelim syllabus. This is a beautiful opportunity to revise and consolidate your prelims syllabus again. Now in this ruthless rapid revision, we are having the advanced concept classes, so not only the facts, we will be looking forward to the concepts also, which is required with the bedrock for the prelims preparation. We'll be integrating the static subjects with the current affairs. The teacher will be highly exam oriented. See, I have seen many of the YouTube videos popping up with the marathon classes, but let me tell you, you cannot compare the subjects as if you compare the apples, right? For example, if you go to the market, you may purchase the apple from any of the shop which is of maybe the same variety or same looking. So it is not the same scenario with the UPSC preparation. You should go comprehensive, you should go with the concepts, and you should go with the right mindset. Okay, so environment में सिर्फ biodiversity cover करना, let's say the topic cover करना is not all. You have to cover the subtopics, micro topics, current affairs along with the relevant facts, PYQs, everything. That is what I am trying to make a point in. So you have the teachers who are comprehensive in approach, timely and structured revision will be ensured. Then almost since years it has been being followed, 4 or 5 years say it has been followed by many of the UPSC toppers. You can find the videos on the YouTube channel of Sunya IAS as well. So the subjects we will be covering are listed. Almost all the subjects are there in the list. We will go comprehensive, and if you can see within 1 month, it will give you the confidence. Not only the confidence, you will be able to increase your score in the mock test. You will be able to ensure that whatever are the loopholes in your notes or maybe in the preparation, you are plugging them and you are revising everything again, right? Then if you are going with it, I mean along with the revisions, the basic problem right now with the aspirant is of poor productivity. If you try to revise the polity as a subject, if you're sitting alone, you may not be able to revise the complete thing maybe in 5 days, 7 days or 10 days. Here we will be making sure that you're revising it in just 2 classes, right? So your productivity enhances multifold because you have the backing of classes, right? And that is how we will be covering the entire syllabus. What you can do, you can see the schedule in the description or maybe on the website. Just one thing, if you want to register for this particular program, there will be a form, a Google form you will find, right? This form you have to fill. Since we have the limited seat, you will get a call, on your number, and that is where your seat will be confirmed, right? So there is a nominal charges of this program, but you cannot register directly on the website. You have to fill the form so that we can have a track of the serious aspirants first of all, then the number of seats which are filling right now, and we can always guide you over the call as well. So that is the only thing which I wanted to convey. There is no direct registration link. Google form ka link you will find in the description. Please fill the Google form so that our team can reach out to you and give you more details, and that is how you can join the program RRR. See you in the batch. Thank you. We are starting from 9th of March, but even if you are watching this video a little late, you can always register. You will get the recordings. Thank you. See you in the batch.